If there's one thing millionaires know, it's that relying on a single income source can be risky. The key to long-term financial success isn't just about earning more. It's about creating multiple streams of income. Today, I'm going to break down why having multiple streams of income is crucial for building wealth and how you can start adding new income streams to your life. Let's start with the security that comes from having multiple income streams. When you rely on just one source of income, like a single job, you're putting yourself in a vulnerable position. What happens if that income dries up? Whether it's due to layoffs, economic downturns, or personal circumstances, losing that one source of income can create financial stress. Millionaires know that by diversifying their income, they're protecting themselves from these risks. If one stream of income slows down or disappears, they have other streams to fall back on. Think of it like building a safety net. The second reason multiple income streams are important is faster wealth building. Each additional income stream allows you to increase your earnings without necessarily putting in more hours. Think about it. You only have so many hours in a day, and if you rely solely on exchanging time for money, there's a cap on how much you can earn. But when you create multiple income streams, especially passive ones, you can keep earning even when you're not actively working. This is one of the reasons why millionaires can grow their wealth faster than the average person. Now, let's talk about how to start building these streams of income. You don't need to quit your job or start from scratch. In fact, you can begin with just a few simple steps. Start by looking at side hustles. Whether it's freelance work, consulting, or selling products online, side hustles are a great way to add extra income without leaving your main job. Many millionaires started their wealth-building journey with a simple side hustle that grew over time. Another great option is to invest in the stock market. This is one of the most accessible ways to create passive income. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn money just for holding shares in a company. Dividends are a portion of the company's profits paid out to shareholders. The best part? You don't have to be actively involved to earn those dividends. If you're consistent with your investments, you can build a steady stream of passive income over time. Let's not forget about real estate investing. This is one of the most popular income streams for millionaires. You can start small by investing in rental properties or even real estate crowdfunding platforms. The rental income you collect each month can become a reliable stream of income, and as property values appreciate over time, your wealth grows. Real estate is also a great way to diversify your income, as it tends to be less volatile than other markets. Next, consider digital products. In today's digital world, there are endless opportunities to create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables. Once you've created these products, they can generate income for you on autopilot. The initial work goes into creating the product, but after that, it can become a passive stream of income as people buy your product over time. Many entrepreneurs have turned digital products into thriving businesses, all while earning passive income. Don't overlook affiliate marketing. This is another way to create passive income by promoting products or services you believe in. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a low-risk way to generate income, and if you're consistent, you can build up a nice stream of extra cash over time. This works particularly well if you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence. Finally, let's talk about the mindset shift that comes with having multiple streams of income. Millionaires think of money differently. Instead of seeing money as something you earn once and spend, they see it as a tool to generate more money. Each stream of income is an opportunity to grow their wealth, invest in new ventures, and create financial freedom. The more streams they have, the less they worry about financial insecurity. They know they're protected no matter what happens. So, to recap, having multiple streams of income brings security, allows you to build wealth faster, and offers the freedom to earn without trading more time for money. Whether it's through side hustles, investments, real estate, digital products, or affiliate marketing, the key is to start building these streams today. Which income stream are you going to start working on? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom.